In this YouTube video, we will demonstrate to you how you guys can publish your LinkedIn post automatically using the Postman application. To publish your LinkedIn post without having a manual involvement, first you need to open up your Google Sheet in which you have listed out your LinkedIn publishing schedule. Like here, we have scheduled 2 post captions along with their image that need to be published. Next, we will go to the coding section of the Google Spreadsheet and we'll make a few changes. For this, we will replace the Google Sheet ID and its name with our own Sheet's credential. Additionally, we will add the LinkedIn app ID in the code twice, one in front of 𝐅𝐸 person next to the owner and another in front of 𝐅𝐸 person next to author. Now, let us know you from where and how we got the credentials. To do this, you need to browse LinkedIn Developer and have to open the first link of the Google search page. Furthermore, you need to click on the My Apps option and then the Create App option. Here, you need to give an appropriate name to your app in the App Name field and have to add your organization's LinkedIn profile to the LinkedIn page. On the side of this, you need to add your organization's logo by clicking on the Upload a Logo option. Finally, you have to click on the Legal Agreement checkbox and click on the Create App button. Here, you will see the available authorities, where you will get access for 2 authorities, one for to share your post on LinkedIn automatically, and the other for to sign in with your LinkedIn page. Once we make it clear that how many controls we have got for automation, then we will go to the Settings option and we'll click on the Verify button for the page verification. Moreover, you need to click on Generate URL, copy the verified generated URL, and then have to click on the I'm Done button. Once it's all done, then we will come up to the Auth button, showing next to the Setting button. Next, we will click on the Auth 2.0 tools appearing on the side panel. As it opens, we will move to the Create Token option. This will bring us back to the coding section where you need to find the access token text and paste the copied URL in front of the text in between the inverted commas. For further execution, we will browse postman.com and click on the Workspaces option from the top side menu, and click on My Workspace option to open it up. Once it's open, you need to click on the LinkedIn profile URL showing on the sidebar next to Get. As you will do, the entire window will open up, whereas you have to paste the LinkedIn app URL. You can get this LinkedIn app URL from your LinkedIn documentation or can copy it directly from the description box. As you have pasted the app link, then go to the Authorization option and paste the LinkedIn generated URL in the description box that we have copied in our previous execution. Once the set as variable text will show you on the screen, then click on the Send button. As you can see here, you got the credentials from which we will copy the LinkedIn app ID, showing in front of subject. Next to this, we will go back to the coding section and paste the LinkedIn app ID in front of 𝐅𝐸 person, next to owner, and also next to the author. Once we have pasted the URL on both places, then we will save the project and click on the Run button, showing on the mid-top of the page. Further away, we will click on the Trigger button, showing next to the clock icon, and will delete the past added triggers if there are any. For termination, we will go to the Add Trigger button showing on the right bottom corner, and we'll create the trigger. For this, we will choose Upload Image to LinkedIn option in the function Head in Deployment, Time-Driven in the event source, Day Timer in Types of Time, and 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. in time of the day before clicking on the Save button. This trigger will handle the function of LinkedIn Post Publish Automation. Now, we will again run the code by clicking on the Run button. Consequently, you can see that the execution has been started and get completed as well within a matter of seconds. To have a cross-verification check, we will take a step back to the LinkedIn Post Schedule spreadsheet and we'll check what we have listed to schedule in the sheet thoroughly by verifying the images and their respective text to be aware of it. And here you can see that both the exact images along with their text have been uploaded to the LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.